Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone, here we are in Ottawa, Illinois, and we have 3 air conditioners at the back of a brewery restaurant. Let's start here with this Dakin unit. This one's got a different fan grill. I think it's got an Emerson Copeland scroll. It's got a broad ocean fan motor. And they're installed on platforms. Can't read it, but here we got 2 carrier round ones. Here's this one. I think I might have a vintage Copeland reciprocating. Since they're installed on the property, I can't get the year off them. Here's this one. And it looks like unknown year. I think it might be from 1987 or something. But here's a picture of those. Anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out. Alright, here we are at Starved Rock State Park in North Utica, Illinois. And here we have this Goodman air conditioner at the back of this building right here. It's got a broad ocean fan motor, Zongshan broad ocean fan motor. It's got an Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. That's the energy guide. $2019. I think that one might be a 3-ton. It's got a Mars disconnect box. This has not been running. Even though it's warm, even though it's actually like both hot and cold out. So I think these units are not, I think this unit's not running. Here's a picture of it. So yeah, let's head on to more. Here we are at the Starved Rock Lounge Hotel. And here you have some air, and here you have tons of interesting air conditioners. Let's start off with this, with this. And here's this one. Then I can have to get the data. And I don't know what brand these are, but here's this one. This thing is not running because the motor might have burned out. Here's this one. And alright. Now we got some ductless and central units. Let's start here with these 2 Dakin ductless units. They're running. Get it off of it. Unknown year. That's the same. Here is a Lennox Elite that's running. This does the back office. It's got a nice compressor sound. And I couldn't read the year off this one. But I can see a serial. It's from 2009. Here we got a Train XE1000. There are like a lot of pipes here. This one's not running. It's got a GE fan motor. It's got a climate tough reciprocating. I'm gonna probably have to look it up when I get home because I don't know what year it's from. And over here, We have a train. It's got a GE fan motor. It's also got a climate tough reciprocating. Wait, this one has two blades. I've never seen a two-bladed one. Alright. 2005. This is a small, that's a small one. And here's a Fujitsu Halcyon. Manufacture date. I don't know the year on that one. Let me take a picture of those. Analysis, this thing starting up. And those. Sorry about that, there's a lot of this out of the way. And there's a huge thing, I don't know what that is. Probably commercial leaders. They take a picture of those two. Here's a good shot. Alright, let's go on more. Here we are at, we are at the lodge in Stars Rock. And here you have here you have the air conditioners here. Let's start with this 1X L series. It's running. It's got two big compressors. These fans are not running. And here's another L series. This one's not running. Two big compressors under there. Oh, here's the data. 2000. That's also 2000. And here's a York. I think it replaced one of those 1XL series. This one's got micro channel. Yeah, definitely has micro channel. It's from 2016. And here you have a couple of Trenton refrigerator component. It's got a Emerson Copeland skull compressor. It's running. This is actually a new one. Or actually replaced one of those. Yup. That's a 2024. Here's this remaining refrigerator component. Whoa, wait a second. I had never seen that compressor before. Wait. Yeah, wait. I've never seen that compressor before. It's got two fans in there. I think it might be a heat craft. I don't know. I couldn't find the data. There's no other. I think it might be a heat craft. That's sanitary. And a picture of those three. So yeah, let's find more. There's one more unit I forgot, and I couldn't get the data because it's surrounded by a fence. But here's a staking unit, also the picture center. I think it's got a Brotherson fan motor. It's got an Emerson Copeland school. I don't know what year. I can't get the data off this one because it's surrounded by a fence here. You can see. Oh, actually, here we go. It does have a Brotherson fan motor. I can actually get the data. It's a 2022 Dakin. I take a picture of this one. So yeah, let's go on to our hotel. Alright, now we are at our hotel here. Here, our hotel right here. Our Fairfield by Marriott Hotel. And here you have this Armstrong air conditioner at the front. It's got an interlink fan motor. It's got a LG scroll compressor. It actually has not been running. Suction line wasn't cold. 2017. I don't know what year it's from. I don't know what tonnage it is. That's that thing right there. Here's a picture. Alright, let's go on to some more ants. There, by the way, is the ants on the back. Alright, now here at the back of the hotel. And here we have three York commercial ants and a Train XB. And then there's a tabletop unit. Let's start here at this tabletop unit. It's an RC series by Desert Air. Here's the coils down there, that's the fan. It has a variable speed. It's a variable speed fan motor. Oh, here's the data. I think it might be a 2021. And then here's this Train XB. It's got a GE commercial fan motor. Looks like it's got a climate tough reciprocating compressor. 2009. Might be a... That's an XB13. 2009. It was... Yeah, that's a 2009. I don't know the tonnage, but let's check the bottle number. That's a 3. It's a 3-ton. Here we have 3 York commercial units. There's this one. The fan is spinning because of the wind. It's got 2 Emerson Copeland scroll compressors. It's the York logo. It's got micro channel. Oh, here we go. 2019. Here's this one. Blades are spinning different directions. Interesting. One is just pushing the blades in different directions. It's also got 2 Emerson Copeland scroll compressors. There it is, right, almost right there, yeah. 2019. Here's the last one. York, 2 Emerson Copeland scroll compressors. 2019. So yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of all those. And then over here, there are 2 key controller units. They're Duquesnes. This one. I think that's the dryer vents. They're filthy. It's got an interlink fan motor. It's got a LG scroll compressor. 2017. Here's this one. Interlink fan motor. Also got an LG scroll. This one is older, from 2015. Take a picture of those. Anyways, let's go on over here at the Midland States Bank. We have a couple of Armstrong air units. So it's got an interlink fan motor. It's got an LG scroll compressor. It's 2016 3-ton. Here's the second Armstrong here. Also got an interlink fan motor. It's got a LG, also got an LG scroll compressor, 2 different filter dryers. Also 2016 3-ton. Take a picture of those. So yeah, that's it. Anyways, thank you for watching. So if you didn't notice, this York right here started up. Very slow fans. I don't know why they have very slow fans. Probably the capacitor's going bad. So these two have bad fan motors. The capacitor, this one has a very bad capacitor. It needs to be replaced. So yeah, anyways, really, thank you for watching. Over and out. All right, one more. This RC series tabletop unit started up. It sounds really quiet. So yeah, really, thank you for watching. Over and out. All right, saw what I wanted to see, and those started up.